In the final phase of the challenge, I focused on improving the user experience and publishing both agents properly. For use case 5, the goal was to fine-tune system topics to make conversations smoother and more aligned with the brand voice. In the official Copilot agent, I customized the welcome message, replacing the generic text with a warm, helpful tone. I added quick replies to guide users with questions like, "What is Copilot Studio?" or "How do I secure my agents?" I also updated the Escalate topic, linking it to Microsoft's official Copilot Studio community and support page, instead of just saying, "I can't help you." These small tweaks made the agent more professional and helpful, especially for a public-facing use case. Pro tip, even tiny changes in tone and structure can dramatically increase user trust and satisfaction. Then came use case 6, publishing. I published the official agent first to its demo site, which gave me the chance to see how it behaved in a real browser environment and gather early feedback. I have to admit I was a bit hesitant at first, not afraid but definitely respectful of the process since it was my first time publishing an agent publicly. But it turned out to be much easier than expected. I shared the link with several colleagues, and honestly, it's become an amazing go-to assistant for any Copilot-related questions. A true 5-star helper. In Taylor's case, the final touches were all about empathy, clarity, and personality. I carefully customized the welcome message to feel warm, brand-aligned, and emotionally supportive, just like the tone of Kelsey TS. Instead of a generic hello, users are greeted with, "Hi, I'm Taylor Kelsey TS AI Assistant, here to help with any questions about our sneakers, deliveries, or internal procedures." I also added quick replies tailored to real questions from the call center team like delivery issues, quality incidents, internal quality measures. This helps guide the user without needing to type. It saves time, reduces errors, and feels more human. Now let's talk about the escalation topic. Instead of replying, "I can't help with that," Taylor stays true to her Swiftie personality. As you can see, I designed a response that says, "Oops, this one's out of the woods for me." But don't worry, I won't leave you in a blank space. You can email the logistics or quality team or talk to your team lead. Meanwhile, I'll be here, ready to help with anything Kelsey Test related. It's professional, clear, and fun, and trust me, my colleagues loved it. Publishing Taylor and watching her come to life on our branded webpage was just magical. She's not just an assistant. She's glitter-powered, emotionally intelligent, and ready to shine on every shift. From use cases 5 and 6, I learned that testing isn't just a checkbox, it's how you bring your assistant to life. A personalized tone, good system topics, and real-world demos help build trust and engagement. With Taylor, testing became a creative loop. I changed the language based on reactions and learned how emotional branding can drive adoption. My key takeaways: 1. Test early and test with real people, not just functionality but also feeling. 2. Customize your agent's voice, make it sound like your brand. 3. Let others explore it freely, you'll find blind spots faster. 4. A memorable personality isn't extra, it's part of the product. Because baby, I'm still bejeweled. When I walk in the room, I can still make the whole place shimmer. Okay, this wasn't part of the official challenge, but Taylor was way too fabulous to keep behind the scenes. So I gave her a real website, with open access, no login, and answers fully aligned with CTS rules and tone. And the best part, that you can try it yourself. Just scan the QR code on screen and chat with her right now. Because as Taylor sings, I can still make the whole place shimmer. She's fast, fun, and totally Swiftie approved. When something truly shines, you want the whole world to see it sparkle. And that's a wrap on my final challenge for the Conversational Agents course. Now, I don't just understand how Copilot Studio works. I feel like I've gained superpowers. I've learned how to design agents with purpose, personality, and full control over what they say, who they say it to, and how they say it. Huge thanks to the entire team behind the Microsoft Power Up program for such an inspiring journey. Sending warm greetings from sunny Spain, and lots of excitement to keep learning and building more magic. And as a proud Swiftie, let me just say, I've officially entered my mastermind era. I don't just talk to agents, I design them. See you next time.